Join me as I dive into the wild world of Costco stock right now and try to figure out exactly what's going on. Costco stock has been making headlines with its recent fluctuations, leaving many investors wondering what's behind these changes and where the stock is headed. Costco stock is facing some significant challenges, particularly from market trends and increasing competition in the retail space. Major retailers are adapting to changing consumer behaviors, investing heavily in e-commerce and digital transformation. This shift is forcing Costco to rethink its strategy and invest in its own digital capabilities to remain competitive. The retail landscape is becoming increasingly crowded, with new entrants and existing players expanding their offerings, which could potentially eat into Costco's market share. Costco's business model, which relies heavily on membership fees and bulk sales, may need to evolve to meet the changing needs of its customers. Costco stock has also been impacted by broader market trends, including inflation and supply chain disruptions, which have affected the company's profitability and ability to maintain its low-price strategy. As a result, investors are closely watching Costco's earnings reports and guidance for any signs of weakness or opportunity. The company's ability to navigate these challenges and maintain its position as a leader in the retail space will be critical to the performance of its stock, and investors are eagerly awaiting any updates or announcements that could provide insight into Costco's future prospects. Several key factors are influencing Costco's stock price, including economic indicators such as GDP growth and consumer spending, which have a direct impact on the company's sales and revenue. Consumer behavior is also playing a significant role, as shoppers become more discerning and demanding, seeking out unique experiences and personalized services. Company earnings reports are also closely watched, as they provide insight into Costco's financial health and future prospects. Investors are looking for signs of growth, profitability, and cash flow, as well as any guidance or outlook that could impact the stock's valuation. The overall health of the economy is also a major factor, as Costco's stock is closely tied to consumer spending and confidence, which can be affected by factors such as interest rates, employment rates, and geopolitical events. Costco's stock is also influenced by the company's own initiatives and strategic decisions, such as investments in digital transformation, store expansions, and new product offerings, which can impact its competitiveness and market share. A significant insight into Costco's stock is the recent announcement of its plans to expand its e-commerce capabilities and invest in new technologies, which could potentially disrupt the retail landscape and provide new opportunities for growth. This move is seen as a major turning point for the company, as it seeks to stay ahead of the curve and maintain its competitive edge. The implications of this announcement are far-reaching, and investors are eagerly awaiting any updates or guidance on the company's strategy and future prospects. As the retail landscape continues to evolve, Costco's ability to adapt and innovate will be critical to its success. The company's decision to invest in e-commerce and digital transformation is a significant one, and it will be closely watched by investors and analysts alike, as it has the potential to impact the stock's valuation and future performance. The future of Costco's stock is uncertain, but one thing is clear: the company's ability to navigate the changing retail landscape and stay ahead of the curve will be critical to its success, and investors are eagerly awaiting any updates or announcements that could provide insight into its future prospects. The key points to take away from Costco's stock situation are that the company is facing significant challenges, but it also has opportunities for growth and expansion, particularly in the e-commerce space. Investors should be closely watching the company's earnings reports and guidance, as well as any updates or announcements that could impact the stock's valuation. Let me know what you think about Costco's stock in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other videos for more insights and analysis on the latest financial news and trends.